Guys, today I'm going to be mixing my fluffy slimes. Here's this purple one I made. Got a pink one and a green. So this is just fluffy slime. I'm just gonna be mixing those and not other ones. I'm going to use this jar and put up purple first. So yeah. So first I'm gonna start with purple. Yeah. So let's scoop it out. Okay, sorry. So I got it out. So this is my fluffy slime. Just going to put that in our tin. Okay. And yes, these were homemade. I didn't buy them anywhere, so yeah. Next is my green. See. Okay, when I made this slime, it kind of was a little sticky. So I tried to knead it together before I started this video, but it didn't work. Okay, so, but yeah. So yeah, just gonna plop that in too. That's really sticky. Okay. See what I mean? This one was a bit sticky. So put that down. So yeah. My pink one, this one didn't turn out too good when I actually had it. Yeah. Didn't turn out too good. Yeah. I think this one was a good one. This one was a good one here. Let me place this here. This one is a good one. This was my first fluffy slime I've ever made, I think. Yeah, it's crazy. I made this. Anyway, let's put this in. That should be very. But that looks pretty. Kind of looks like an Easter egg. Should have done that for Easter. Oh no, the green is already mixed with it because somehow the green got with the pink. I don't know what to do. Yeah. So, maybe. Oh, nope, that's not gonna work. So,
who left poop in the toilet?
Okay, so now I'm going to mix it. So, I'm gonna do this here. Yeah. So oh, look at that. Okay. It's all of it. It's a rainbow, rainbow. Okay. Oh, look, that's pretty. This is feels like, I don't know. It's too much though. Look at that. Okay. Let's mix. Okay, well now it's starting to turn brown. Okay, not really, kind of really, but let me collect all that. Okay. That was just the cold flag, you know. Oh. I'm just gonna do it like that. Yeah. Shaky. No, but it kind of looks like a watermelon. Cause look, the green and then the pink and then pretty much. Not really, but so yeah. This is what it turns out to be like. Just a big piece of brown. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, bye guys. I'll see you. Wait, not tomorrow. See you again someday. Bye.